settling. So. Hi, Puppet.
Hello.
How are you this week?
Pretty good.
What have you been doing? I know it's summer and you've got plenty of activities.
Well, me got news. We got uninvited guests moving into the neighborhood. We have coyotes.
Ooh.
They moving into their houses, having babies, but here's what nobody knows but me. They're werewolves. Werewolves are taking over the neighborhood. We can't even go out at night anymore.
Puppet, I think that you've got quite an imagination.
It's real. It's all real.
And wait a minute. Did you say you go out at night?
Well, what if me want to go out at night? Me may not go out now, but, in the future, me might like to go. But no, werewolves.
No.
Go home, werewolves. Go home. What? Go on.
Well, while you're protecting all of us from werewolves,
Yes.
I think that it's time that we show another summer salad.
Okay.
So today we're going to do green bean and petite red potato salad.
Good. By the way, did you know last night was Strawberry Moon Night?
No.
Coincidence? You tell me. Okay. Keep going.
Puppet. Okay, so this summer salad
Yep.
is very simple to do.
Yeah.
It's got 6 easy ingredients that we'll run through, and then you dress it. It's portable. It's easy. I think that it's going to be a summer classic.
Before the werewolves come.
Okay.
While it's still daylight.
Well, the first ingredient is fresh green beans.
Yeah.
So you're going to want a nice, lovely salad bowl. Put in your green beans. Now these are crisp cooked, meaning I parboiled them for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So
does that mean you cool them off at some point? Put them in ice or something?
Yes, so they maintain their green and they're crisp to the bite.
Crisp.
Then these are the little petite red potatoes. These are parboiled as well.
Potatoes. Me like potatoes.
Yes, you do.
Potatoes.
And then third ingredient is just standard red heirloom tomatoes, cherry tomatoes.
Potatoes and tomatoes.
Exactly.
Two of my favorites.
Two of your favorites.
Yep.
Put those in the bowl and see how we're just putting them around the edge like we did before.
Yeah.
It makes it very dramatic and it's a nice presentation.
They're kind of red, like blood. Remind me of werewolves. Keep going.
Okay. Then the next ingredient are HB eggs.
HB? What HB?
Hard boiled. People call it
Harley Davidson?
hard boiled.
Okay.
Now I've halved and quartered these because it's nice for everybody to get a little bit of egg. So, there's a hard boiled egg.
Yeah.
You just slice it. Slice it.
Yeah.
I know you can't see it back here, but I want it to
it.
be good. Just slice it and put it in the bowl because when we mix it, it's going to be quite lovely.
Okay.
Okay,
like it?
so we'll take this one and set it aside for now. And then the fifth ingredient is the feta cheese, and this is 4-ounce block. It's one of your favorites, I know. Smell.
Yeah,
it's Greek cheese.
Yeah,
You're just gonna crumble that up, put it in the bowl.
Just is this whole thing? Is this a Greek salad?
Well,
kind of.
Maybe Greek, Mediterranean. I think it's nice for summer because it's light, and if you serve it with a bottle of chilled rosé and crusty bread, it's really a nice salad for summer because when it's hot like this, nobody wants to cook.
Take your word for it.
Yep, nobody wants to cook. Now, that's basically it, and you're going to add your seasoning.
You got something up back here behind the bowl.
You know what we almost forgot?
Oh.
Thank you, the Kalamata olives.
Oh, my favorite part.
And that
You
is
like
very
all the parts.
I
all
know.
the parts my favorite.
That is very Greek Mediterranean, and I know that's one of your favorites.
Yeah.
So the last thing is we like to put in herbs. So look at basil. Smell.
It's pronounced basil. Basil is a person's name. Basil is an ingredient.
All right, we'll call it basil, but it's fresh and it's lovely. And
You read
smell it.
Wikipedia. Let me see.
Smell how nice that is.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Just crumble that up and sprinkle it over. And then
that?
I like oregano flakes.
Oh, yeah.
Gives it that little Mediterranean touch.
Yeah.
Sprinkle that all over. And then I won't do it, but look how lovely. We'll put that out. So you've got a nice salad. And then I made a simple dressing of, it's a mustard dressing.
Oh.
Dijon, stone ground mustard, red wine vinegar.
Yeah.
You got a little flake in your fuzz.
no.
Oh,
Oh, no.
how cute.
Oh, not cute.
There you
Filthy.
go. Red wine vinegar, olive oil,
werewolf.
salt, and pepper. And what you'd want to do, and I will do it, is just pour it all over the salad, just like that. I want you to see what a little bit, how lovely that is. So then you're just going to sprinkle it over.
Yeah.
And then, or you know what? I would take it to the table and put the little dressing in there so people can serve themselves. Because often people maybe just want a little bit of olive oil and then red wine vinegar, just a little bit.
Hey.
Yes, darling.
There's a tiny bit of fur on that salad dressing. See it?
Oh my goodness, yes.
Ugh.
Yes, Puppet, there it is.
That was mine.
That's
Sorry.
what happens when you dine with us, and we
Excuse
love
me.
you for that.
I
So,
know.
here you have it. It's
Like
again
having a dog in the house. Or an
It's-
orange werewolf.
one of our lovely, and you can salt and pepper, S&P,
Yeah.
whatever you want to do.
S&P.
But we just wanted to put it together. It's a lovely
More
summer
initials.
salad.
What's that mean?
Salt and pepper, you know. Salt
Sweet
and pepper.
and precious?
Like you,
Oh,
sweet
thanks.
and precious.
Oh, thank you.
So again,
Yeah, go
bottle
on.
of rosé or a white crisp Sauvignon Blanc and bread and butter, and you're good. No heat, no nothing in the
That
kitchen.
over there, that Prosecco.
Well, you know what? Often, you're right. It's a single bottle of prosecco. That's
Yeah.
often nice too. Chilled, bubbles, lovely for
Bubbles.
summer.
That's your new nickname. We gotta call you Bubbles. Hello, Bubbles.
Bubbles. Thank
Bubbles
you.
ready to cook. Kitchen
All
lady Bubbles.
So there you have it.
Yeah.
It is our summer green bean and petite red potato salad, much
Okay.
like you, petite.
Thank you.
And we want to thank everybody. Tell them again that they can get the recipe in our comment section, community page. And unless you have a final word, I think we'll thank them and leave it at that.
You know, all the usual stuff. Subscribe, hit like, and most of all, go home, werewolves, go home.
Puppet.
That's it.
Puppet your imagination. Thank you,
Okay.
everyone, and we will see you next week.
Rawr.